Now I will be explaining you about Net Profit Retail item module. This is item module. Here in items module, you can create new items for your retail shop. Here you can see the category wise items. And if you want to see all the items, you can click on item view. And here you can see the all the items at your stores which you have created. If you want to search item, you can search item in search bar, particularly by name, barcode, item code, and category. Here only you can check the inventory of the items. To check the inventory of the items, click on inventory check. And above the items card, you will get a check inventory option. By clicking on check inventory, you will get the inventory page open where you can see the barcode number, item name, category, and quantity of the item. And it will also show the inventory data tracking, where in that you can see the date, user, batch ID, inventory, and comment also. If you want to create or add a new item for your shop, you can click on add new button here, and the add item page will be open, where you can see the four stages, where first stage is basic details, pricing, taxes, and stock details. In basic details, you need to fill the details about the item and you can create the item for your retail shop. These red marks are the mandatory fields which you need to fill for creation of item. Now I will show you how to create a item by filling the details. In basic item info, you need to give the basic information about the item like item name. I will give dal. You can write the description about the item and here you can write the category name. If you have already created categories, you will get those categories in here drop down button where you can choose that category from that. If you want to create a new category, you can click on this new button and it will take you to the add categories page where you can give the category name and you can write the description about the retail and also you can give the HSN number. And after filling the details about category, when you click on submit, that category will be shown here and you can search that category here in the category name and that category will be added to the category name. You can also add subcategory also. If you have a category and in that category you have a subcategories, so you can make those subcategories here. For creating new subcategory, you can click on this new button and add new subcategory page will be open where you can give the subcategory name and description about that category and after filling the details when you click on submit and the subcategory will be created. Here in supplier, you can give the supplier name for this item, who is supplying items for your retail shop. You can give that also. Here you can disable, enable the availability of that item in your store. You can enable the weighing machine for this quantity also. Item image. In item image, you can upload image for that item, which item you are creating. For that, you need to go to the select image to upload. And from your system you can upload that image for this item. Unique identification detail. In unique identification detail you can give the barcode number, item code, and HSN number. You can give it here or while creating the category you can give that. Next is pricing. In pricing you will get four sub attributes where you can see has attributes, has batches, OTG price also. We will be seeing it one by one. Has attributes. Has attributes means if that item which you are creating has the attributes like if it is a t-shirt, it will be in the sizes X, M, double X. Like that, if that item is having that attribute, then you can create that attribute by enabling this has attributes. Where in package detailing, you can select that attribute if you have one, or else you can create new attribute. If you want to create a new attribute, you can click on add new attribute and the add attribute page will be open where you can give the attribute name like size and give the variant as M. Then you can click on add, it will be added. Then next is XL size. Then you can click on add, it will be added. And when you click on submit, And that attribute you can see here in select attributes. When you click on select attributes, you will get that option. You should check in and that attribute will be added here. If you want to add discount or create new discount, you can go to add discount here. Add discount page will be open. You can select here discount by percentage or rupees you want to give. You can give here discount name, discount amount by percent, 1%, and when you click on submit, that discount details will be shown here. Here in purchase unit, you can select the unit at what unit you are selling that item, like number, kg, grams, packets, liters, and etc. Like that, while selling also, at what unit you are selling that item to the customer, you can select that here. Now we will see the pricing for that attribute item. Here inside, you need to select the value M or XL. You can give M. If it is M, how much quantity it will be, like 5. Then purchase price of that item, it is 450. MRP has 350 and selling price you can give it as 300. And in discount, when you click on select, you will get that created discount. When you select that, the discount will be added. And after filling the details of that attribute item, when you click on save, that item will be shown here down. If you want to put the details of another attribute size, you can go to select value. Then you can select that Excel. You can give the quantity of it, purchase price, MRP, selling price, and you can select the discount. And after that, when you click on save, that attribute item will be added. This is how you can create attribute item. Hash batches. If you want to give batch ID for that item, you can enable this hash batches option. After that, you will get that batch ID here. Pricing. In pricing, you can select that unit, at what unit you are selling that item to the customer. For purchase unit, you can select these units, any one of it. For selling unit, you can select any one of these unit. If you want to create, for creating new unit, you can click on new and the add unit page will be open, from where you can give the unit symbol and unit description. And after that, when you click on submit, the new unit will be created and it will be shown in these options. Purchase price, you need to give the purchase price of the item 30, then MRP of the item 50, and selling price of the item. And here you want, you can select, you can give discount, or else you can remove the discount from here. Hash batches, if you want to give batch ID for the item, you can enable the hash batches option. By enabling this hash batches option, you will get here batch ID option, where you can give the batch ID for that item. Next is OTG price. OTG price means if you don't want to give the selling price for that item, and while selling the item to the customer, you want to directly type the selling price in your system, you can do it there. Because after enabling OTG price, you cannot enter the selling price here. At the time of selling the item, you will get the pricing option there, where you can put the price of that item there only. Next, we will see about taxes. This is taxes. Here in taxes, you will get purchase details and sales details. If you want to sell the item including tax, you should enable these options. If you want to purchase item from the supplier including tax, then you need to enable this option and you need to select here taxes, which tax you want to add it. If you want to create new tax, you can go to new button and add taxes page will be open, where you need to give the tax name and tax percentage. And after creating and after filling the details, when you click on submit, that tax will be shown here. If you want to exclude the tax for the item while purchasing, you can enable this and the tax will be excluded, and you can select here excluded tax also. The same way you can give it for sales. If you want to include tax for selling price, you can enable this and you can select the tax here. And if you want to exclude the tax, you can disable this and you can select the tax here. If you don't want to give tax, you can just leave it that way. Stock details. In stock details, You can give the item quantity, how much quantity does that item hold. You can also give the expiry date for that item by enabling this has expiry date option, and you can select the date at what date it will be expired. You can select the expiry date here. Reorder level, reorder details. In reorder details, you can set the reorder level here 10. When the item reaches the reorder level 10, it will reorder the quantity. It will reorder the item, and you can set the reorder quantity also, that how much quantity it should regain when the reorder level hits. Has warranty. If that item or that product which you are creating has warranty, then you can enable this and give warranty also. You can give the warranty name and warranty terms for months, days, and years also. If you have a mobile number, you can give a serial number and IMEI number for that also. These IMEI numbers are only for automobiles. If you want serial number you want to give, you can click enable this serial number, and if you want IMEI number for the item, you can enable this also. And when you click to enter that, you will get a unique details page where you can set the quantity and item counts also after that. And you can create the IMEI and serial number. After filling the details of the item, when you click on the submit button, your item will be created. You can see here, this is the category which I have created, and this is the item which I had created. If you want to import or export the items, you can also do that. By going to this Banto button, you will get the options from where you can export and import the items into your system. Barcode print. If you want to generate a barcode print for any of the product or item from your store, you can click on barcode print option here, and you will get a barcode print option. You can see the item name here for which item you want to generate a item. Here you can see the serial number, company name, item name, barcode, MRP, and here you can see the number of barcodes. If you want to search any of the item, you can search the item here in search bar. If you want to generate barcodes of all items, you can click on select all items, or show selected means which item you have selected, it will be shown. If you want to generate barcode of this item, you need to check in this and you need to give a bulk print here, and you will get a pop-up message. Do you want to uncheck all selected checkbox after print? You need to click on yes, and you will get a pop-up here. And after giving the file name, when you click on save, the file will be saved, and you can see that barcode prints here in this manner. This is how you can generate barcode for your items. Item settings. In item settings, you will get all these attributes. First is category. Here in categories, you can create, edit, delete the categories here. For editing and deleting the category, you need to click on show more. Here you can edit the category, or else you can delete the category. Subcategory. Here also, if you want to create a new add subcategory, you can create the subcategory here, or else if you have existing subcategories, you can edit or delete them. Like that, discount. If you want to create new discount, you can create new discount by clicking on add new discount, or else if you want to edit or delete the existing discount, you can click on show more, where you can click on edit symbol and you can edit it, or you can delete that discount. The same has tags, unit, attributes, and tag slab. You can create new attributes here, or else you can edit or delete them. Settings. In settings, you can give the configuration permissions here. By enabling expired stock sale, a pop-up message will not come if the item is expired. You can directly sell that item to the customer. Enable low inventory notification. If the item hits reorder level, then you will get a pop-up that your item inventory is low. Enable tax inclusive. You can make this all enable and disable, and you can use them. And after that, when you click on save settings, the settings will be saved. This is how items module works, where you can create a new item, delete it, edit it, and also you can export and import the item. And also you can generate the barcode for that item.